5 new features in Microsoft Teams that will make you more productive. I'm Paul Keizers and I help businesses with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will be more productive. So let's jump into it. The first item we are going to talk about is the Meet Now feature. This feature is new, and what you can do is you can click on it and you can start a video call, but it's different compared to what it was, because what you can do is if I click on Meet Now, you will see I'm in the meeting and you will see at the top who's in this meeting. You see that it's a colorful rounded, and at this moment you see that nobody else is in the meeting, but in the chat you also see this icon, this stripes. But if I go to Debbie and I click on join, you will see that Debbie has joined, and so we see that there are 2 people in this meeting. This is great for your daily stand-ups. You do not get notified, but you have the possibility to call in. So I'm gonna close this one. That's number 1. Number 2 is this one. We can use the /, and with the / we have several possibilities. So we can hide the chat, leave the chat, set our status, mute, add a loop component, set the status to away, a code block, set Meet Now, all those kind of capabilities. But one that will be used most mainly is a separate window. So what happens is it just opens a separate window. Sorry, it's a bit big, but it opens a new separate window. This is great to make you more productive. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. 90% of all people that visit my channel are not subscribed, so I hope you really want to subscribe to my channel because it makes me make better movies for you. So subscribe. Thanks. So number 3 is all about sharing. You start your meeting and you just do Meet Now. This is one of my favorites because what this does is you will have the ability to share, and that's something we already know. Of course, we can share our screen. Let's do a chat meeting. I will share that screen and it's shared. What you get at the top is the bar, and when you are in a remote session, this can be very frustrating because you cannot reach the bar. But now they have changed this, that it's draggable, so now you can drag it to everywhere you want. So this makes it really nice. Another option that's in here is the optimize button. If I click optimize, it will optimize my screen share for everyone, so your screen will be showed more clearly. So I'm gonna stop sharing, and what I will do is I will switch tenants and show you 2 others that are really cool. So number 4 is another one which I think is great because you already know this. So especially if you are a developer, we need to work together on this code. Can you help me? This is great, let's do it, and we insert the code. So here we go, text, and we type TypeScript, and then we insert the TypeScript and we say, okay, yes, this is great, we can live with that. There's coming a new option that will make it possible to directly create a component from here. But till now, if you don't have it yet, you can do it by going to loop and then insert code, and here you go. I can select the TypeScript, TypeScript, which is similar to what we did, and now we can paste it in, And what is great about this last part is that when, for example, somebody wants to make changes to this code, you will directly see it in the top. So here you see directly that Debbie has made changes. So this is really, really productive because you can work together on code on the same time. Still, you need to implement it, but that's really something nice. Now, the last option I cannot show you at this moment, but what it basically does is when you have a code line, for example this one, I can paste it in and I will get a preview, and then I can click on preview and I can see the code that is inside this TSX. So that's really nice. So that's it for this time. I hope you like it. And if you want to know more about Teams, you can always click here to find out more. If you want to know more about governance, let me know below. Thanks for watching.